The summer days are drawing to a close here in Kentucky, and with it the temperatures at night are getting more and more chilly. Because of this, our pool does not always heat up to the comfortable levels we are used to during the day. Some days are better than others, so it has become more important to us to keep up with the temperature of our pool to avoid those chilly dips. To remedy this, we are going to install a Heyaxa wireless pool thermometer. First things first, let's talk about the design. The Heyaxa wireless pool thermometer boasts a sleek and modern look that blends seamlessly with any pool setup. Installation is a breeze. Simply place the sensor in your pool, pair it with the base station, connect it to your Wi-Fi, and you're good to go. No complicated wires or setups here. Now let's get into the real magic. Heyaxa's wireless technology provides accurate and real-time temperature monitoring. Connect the thermometer to your smartphone via the Heyaxa app, and you'll have access to the most up-to-date temperature readings at your fingertips. No more guessing or manual checks. Speaking of the app, let's take a closer look. The Heyaxa app offers a user-friendly interface that's incredibly intuitive to navigate. You can easily view temperature trends, set up temperature alerts, and even track historical data to make informed decisions about your pool maintenance. Now you might be wondering about durability. Heyaxa knows the poolside conditions can be tough, so they've designed their wireless thermometer to be weather resistant and durable. Rain or shine, it's built to withstand the elements. Battery life is always a concern with wireless devices, but Heyaxa has that covered too. The thermometer's energy efficient design ensures that you won't be constantly changing batteries. Plus, the app provides you with a battery level indicator so you'll know when it's time for a replacement. Also, the base station has its own power adapter, so no batteries are needed for it. So there you have it, guys. The Heyaxa wireless pool thermometer offers a world of advantages for pool owners who want to avoid getting in a cold pool. From its sleek design to accurate temperature monitoring, user-friendly app, and durability, Heyaxa has truly redefined the pool thermometer game. Say goodbye to outdated manual temperature checks and hello to the future of pool maintenance. Whether you're a pool pro or just love taking a dip, Heyaxa is here to make sure your pool is always the perfect temperature. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting tips and reviews. Until next time, stay cool, but not too cool.